Hello, fellow travelers. Today, we're embarking on an unforgettable journey through Vietnam, a land of incredible beauty and rich culture. While the well-known destinations are undoubtedly spectacular, we're here to unveil the true hidden gems that will make your Vietnam vacation an unforgettable adventure. Join us in an epic Vietnam travel adventure, the Hidden Gems. Let's begin our trip with the first hidden gem, the Tràng and Scenic Landscape Complex, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This mesmerizing maze of limestone karsts, caves, and serene waterways is often compared to Ha Long Bay, but it's less crowded and equally enchanting. The site is known for its rich biodiversity, with numerous plant and animal species calling it home. Birdwatchers, in particular, may spot a variety of avian species in the area. You can explore by boat and uncover ancient temples nestled in these natural wonders. Up next, we venture off the beaten path to the untamed beauty of Luong Nature Reserve. It's a paradise for nature enthusiasts and trekkers, offering lush green terraced fields, remote villages, and heartwarming encounters with locals. You'll be immersed in authentic Vietnamese culture while surrounded by untouched beauty. Among the dunes and beaches of the beautiful Mui Ne, we will find the enchanting fairy stream, a natural wonder that feels like a dream. This gentle, shallow stream flows through surreal red and white sand dunes, creating a picturesque landscape that's perfect for a tranquil stroll. The most striking aspect is the vibrant red and white sand formations along the banks of the stream, creating a vivid contrast with the surrounding greenery. The fairy stream is a natural attraction, and there's no entrance fee. Visitors can explore the area independently or choose to hire a local guide for a more informative experience. It's a photographer's paradise. Coming up at number 4, we can't miss the Tam Coc Bich Dong Complex. Located in Ninh Binh province, it is a remarkable natural and cultural attraction known as the Ha Long Bay on land. This place is a true hidden gem. Hop on a traditional rowboat and let a local guide take you through the stunning karst formations, rice paddies, and ancient pagodas. These boats are typically rowed by local women using their feet. The boat ride takes you through 3 natural caves, namely Hang Ka, Hang Hai, and Hang Ba. These caves are adorned with stalactites and stalagmites, and their unique formations make the journey even more enchanting. Lastly, the complex is part of the Tràng and Scenic Landscape Complex, which was referenced earlier in this video. It's an adventure that feels like a step back in time. Before we dive into more marvelous tales of Vietnam, if you love this video and find it informative, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It is the support of our viewers that keeps us motivated to share these hidden wonders. From all of us at Unseen Wonders and Lesser Legends, we deeply appreciate it. Now let's continue our exploration of unbelievable Vietnam vacation ideas. Hidden within the BNA Hills is a world of fantasy and adventure. The Sun World BNA Hills complex is like no other, with a replica of a French medieval village, the famous Golden Bridge, and thrilling cable car rides. The Golden Bridge is an iconic feature of BNA Hills. This pedestrian bridge is held up by giant stone hands emerging from the hillside. It offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes and has become a popular spot for visitors to take photos. One of the most distinctive features of BNA Hills is the replica of a French medieval village. The architecture and design of this village are inspired by the charming villages in France. Visitors can wander through cobblestone streets, explore the square, and enjoy the French-inspired ambience. Finally, visitors typically take a cable car ride that is one of the world's longest and highest. The ride offers stunning views of the lush hills, forests, and scenic beauty of the area. It's a surreal experience you won't believe until you see it. We will wrap it up with the colorful Lantern Festival in Hoi An. This is a magical and vibrant celebration that takes place in this charming coastal town. The festival is one of the most popular and enchanting events in Hoi An. It occurs on the 14th day of the lunar month. It's a monthly celebration that coincides with the full moon. The festival transforms Hoi An's historic Old Town into a mesmerizing wonderland of colorful lanterns. Traditional silk lanterns are illuminated and displayed throughout the town, giving the streets and the Thu Bon River a magical glow. During the festival, there are often performances of traditional Vietnamese music and dance. These cultural displays add to the festive atmosphere and allow visitors to immerse themselves in local traditions, including a lively night market where you can sample delicious street food and shop for souvenirs. Visitors are encouraged to participate in the festival by buying and lighting lanterns, watching performances, and mingling with locals. The festival is known for its warm and inclusive atmosphere. As the sun sets, Hoi An transforms into a wonderland of colorful lanterns. The Lantern Festival is a mesmerizing spectacle that immerses you in the local culture. Light a lantern, release it on the river, and make a wish. It's a moment of pure magic. There you have it, our hand-picked Vietnam vacation ideas, each one a true hidden gem. From the enchanting Truong An to the dreamlike ferry stream and the mystical BNA Hills, Vietnam is a treasure trove of unforgettable experiences. If you've enjoyed this journey so far, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It fuels our passion for sharing the world's hidden wonders. Also consider leaving a comment with suggestions for our next destination. Whether you're planning your next adventure or simply love exploring hidden gems, we hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining us today.